चने की दाल और कराही है। इसके लिए एक प्याज चॉप्ड, इसके साथ we're gonna add spices, एक bay leaf, 2 cloves and peppercorns, काली मिर्च 7. Now we're going to saute it. We're going to add ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon. हल्का सा इसको किया, add the chicken, about आधा किलो, इसके साथ फ्राई करने लगे दालचीनी, cinnamon. Fry it till it's slightly brown. Once it's done, add salt according to your taste. लाल मिर्च, धनिया पाउडर and हल्दी, a bit of garam masala, and zira. More flavor to it. अब इसको भूनना अच्छी तरह, हल्का सा इसको पहले भून के then add a bit of water, थोड़ा सा कि ये chicken is cooked. If you're using, you can cook this dish in mutton as well. For mutton you'll need, the only difference is you're going to need more water compared to this one, compared to chicken. You can even add boneless chicken to it. Add a bit of water and let it simmer. कि chicken हो जाए. Let it cook. Chicken is almost cooked, dry. Now we're just gonna add tomato, 2 for half chicken, 2 is enough. इसको अच्छी तरह सौते किया. Lastly, we're gonna add चने की दाल. That's about 1/3 cup. Add the दाल जब बिल्कुल तैयार हो जाए, क्योंकि if you cook the दाल overcook तो वो बिल्कुल नरम हो जाएगी और it won't be like curry चने की दाल. और see the bubbles are forming. Now I'm just gonna add the दाल और हल्का सा इसको बस सौते किया. your karahi is ready. All you have to do is now just garnish it and ready to serve. Don't overcook it. क्योंकि आप करोगे वो दाल बिल्कुल. That's about it.